Welcome to JB Plumbing, your reliable plumbing company serving Olivehurst, California. For over 23 years, we offer a wide range of services to fulfill all your plumbing needs. Our services include new construction plumbing, commercial and residential plumbing, water heater replacement, water leak detection, sewer camera inspection, new fixture installation. With 23 years of experience in the industry, JB Plumbing is dedicated to providing high-quality work and exceptional customer service. We have the skills and expertise to handle any plumbing job, big or small. To schedule an appointment or learn more about our services, call us at 530-870-6426 or visit our website at jbplumbingca.com. We look forward to serving you and meeting all your plumbing needs. Choose JB Plumbing for reliable and efficient plumbing services in Olivehurst. Trust us to get the job done right. Thank you for considering JB Plumbing for all your plumbing needs.